What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I actually wanted to go live last night while things were at ridiculous highs for crypto. And right now it's still at a crazy rate when it comes to how much it has increased over the last 24 hours. Now, I wanted to go through, cryptocurrency and maybe get some reasons as to why cryptocurrency is running. But if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. You can follow me there. Don't forget about the links that are in the description for Patreon, for all of my other YouTube channels, for any referral links as well. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out all of that that's over there. So, anyways, things look pretty damn good when it comes to cryptocurrency in the last, I guess, week or so, right? We've seen things that have been moving quite a bit. It wasn't just something where it was a one day type of thing that things, started to run, but we've seen it up maybe 1%, 2%, 3%. We've seen it up quite a bit. And then now we're seeing it up a level of like 7% and seeing it approach that $1 trillion market cap. So things are absolutely looking amazing for cryptocurrency in general. And I'm really excited that we are seeing this right now. And I hope that it continues, and I hope it doesn't just, start to fall off the face of the earth. I hope that we see it continue, and this is a good year because, one, I want to see things start to flourish. I want to see cryptocurrency start to make a lot of people a ton of money, especially when buying at some of these lows, because some of these lows can have the potential to create millionaires. And that's what we're hoping for, right? That's what we're ready to see is this low of ADA or Bitcoin or Ethereum will create millionaires, in the future as you are buying up a ton of those positions. So, anyways, guys, let's go ahead and dive into what's happening in the cryptocurrency market right now. So, if we go to CoinMarketCap, we're going to see that the market is up to a $973 billion market cap. It's up about 7.38%. Bitcoin's dominance is up about 1%. You're seeing it at 41% dominance, which is definitely interesting to me. Anytime I see any increase, I expect to see Ethereum start to chip away at that. But Bitcoin's getting a lot more that's into it, and that's definitely pushing Bitcoin's dominance up rather than down. I want to see it become where a lot of cryptocurrencies really have a large share of the market or a smaller share of the market, but altogether, we're not making up one that's really controlling a crazy amount. 40% is a lot. If something has 10% of the market or 20% of the market, then I'll probably be okay with that. But holding 40% of the overall market means that Bitcoin really controls the entire market. And I want to see things really start to eat away at that. And I mean, in the past, it was at like 70, 80%. It was a lot higher. And now we're seeing it at a lower point. And maybe that'll be the case as we see more cryptocurrencies come on, as we see more, top shelf cryptocurrencies created like Solana, like ADA, like BNB, like Ethereum. We'll end up seeing a ton of a ton of competition really when it comes to Bitcoin. So, anyways, if we scroll down here, we're going to see Bitcoin is up by 10.4%, almost 10.5. You're seeing in the last 7 days, it's up by 23%. So majority of the action actually happened in the last 24 hours. Same goes with Ethereum. You're seeing Ethereum in the last 7 days is up 22%, but 9.3% in the last 24 hours. So definitely seeing a big push with Ethereum and seeing this up to a $1,500 mark. Where this has gotten to, it's gotten up to a point to where it was close to that $1,600 mark, but then dropped back down to a little bit around 1540. If we go back to Bitcoin, we're going to see that this was actually at 21. It actually was at 21. I don't know why it's not showing that. So it was at $21,000 within the last day, and for some reason it's only showing a high of 20.8. But you can see here it was at $21,000. So it did surpass that level. And you're seeing Bitcoin at a $402 billion market cap with $45 billion in volume. this is what we wanted to see, because not only are we seeing the increases, we're also seeing a hell of a lot of volume that flows through it. BNB is up to $300. I bought this at $240 or 230, yeah, 200 something dollars. I can't remember. But I bought it at a low point, and now it's at, $305. So we're seeing that, and I gained a decent amount there. Um, it is at we are seeing 1.1 billion in volume, or around a 40 or 50 billion-dollar market cap. XRP, that's up about 5% today, and we're seeing it up 15%. We do see Cardano that's up by 7% or 6.5, and 29% in the last 7 days, so up more than a lot of other things in the market. We see Polygon that's up 24% in the last 7 days, 10% today. Solana, definitely a play that I talked about on my NFA channel 3 times, mentioned how it was going to explode, mentioned how it was going to make moves, and that's up 35% in the last 24 hours, up 71% in the last 7 days. Literally, I talked about this probably just about 2 weeks ago, and said how Solana is still going to be worth a lot, is still going to explode. And I was like, just wait. I had another video that talked about how, look, it's already moving. And look, it's up 71% really in the last 7 days, which is absolutely phenomenal, right? From where I talked about it, where I showed it on that channel, it was at $11. It's up 100% since that time of mentioning Solana. And I'm not saying that I'm the reason why I did that, but I knew that Solana would have a lot of a push. Now, did I know that the entire market would react this way? No, I didn't. But I am freaking excited that this is happening. Polkadot up 17%, 31% in the last 7 days. Shiba Inu's up 8%, or 23% in the last 7 days. Cosmos, you're seeing a lot of things that are up. And then we'll scroll down here. We'll see a couple other positions that I hold. Kronos up 11%, 22% in the last 7 days. ApeCoin, I just recently talked about that on the NFA channel. Algorand's up. Let's scroll down here to Terra Luna Classic. That's up about 4%. That really isn't seeing as much of an increase as you are seeing with everything else. But another position that I have that I bought, not recently, but when it did launch, was Aptos, and that's back up to about $7.64, up 12% in the last 24 hours, 101% in the last 7 days. Absolutely phenomenal. So anyways, the crypto market looks amazing, looks absolutely amazing that we are seeing a lot of things run this way. And I can't really, get any type of pinpoint as to why we are seeing cryptocurrency absolutely skyrocket. But the good thing is that we are, and hopefully this remains a good weekend with crypto and we don't see a major retracement. However, know that with any type of increase, we are going to see retracements. This is why during this time period, we're up 7%. I have not made a single investment. Why have I not made a single investment? One, because it's tax season and I'm not making any investments. And two, it's skyrocketing. I'm not going to invest in a time to where things are absolutely skyrocketing to crazy high levels, or 10%, 22%, 30%, or in Aptos's case 100% in the last 7 days. I'm not going to make any type of investments as we see that. Anyways, let me know what you think about the crypto market. I'm excited. I hope it's a good weekend. I hope it continues. But I do believe that we will see a little bit of a retracement at some point, just because things can't just skyrocket forever. You have to see people that are going to take some sort of profit. Anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of my links down below for Patreon, for Twitter, for other YouTube channels, all those things. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.